Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to download Valora wallet application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your App Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Valora wallet, Valora, and search. Look for this application that says Valora crypto wallet and tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app on your device. Valora is a mobile crypto wallet that allows you to send, receive, swap, and buy cryptocurrencies using your phone number. So that is how you can easily download and install Valora wallet application on your iPhone in a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.